नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश हो. Myself JVN Dr. Monica Trivedi, and today's topic is a nomenclature of coordination compounds. So the nomenclature of coordination compounds is also given by the IUPAC, which is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So for the naming of the coordination compound, the first step is the naming of the ion. For this process, the positively charged metal ion is returned first, followed by the negative ion in an ionic compound like FeCl2. Its name is iron second chloride. The second is the oxidation state of the Fe. Okay, in next KCl, the KCl can named as a potassium first chloride. First is a oxidation state of the potassium. Now, the name of the non-ionic or a molecular complexes can be written as a word like you have here the K4 FeCN6. This compound is named as a potassium. It is a positive ion present over the coordination outer the coordination sphere. Then the hexacyano. The hexacyano is a ligand here with a 6 CN number. So the hexacyanoferrate, ferrate is a central ion having a 3 oxidation state. Now next example is PTNH3 whole 4 plus. Its name is tetraamine platinum 4. This 4 is a oxidation state of the platinum. Now the name of the compound is the one word without any gap is used for the complex ion. The second step is the naming of the coordination sphere. Now, how the coordination sphere name? In the case of the complex coordination sphere, the name of the ligand written first, then the central metal ion along with the oxidation number. Okay, like in this example, NiCO4, we have to write the first the naming of a ligand, name of the ligand like tetracarbonyl, like CO4 is a tetracarbonyl nickel having a 0 oxidation state. Next is a PTNH3 4 plus 4. Its name is tetraamine platinum 4. Now the ligand name by their number, but the ending of the ligand, like the suffix of the ligand is used for it is to add it to the name of the metal along with the oxidation state. For potassium tetrachloromercurate. Okay, so here is a negative ligand, so the 8 is used for the negative ligand. So the compound name is potassium tetrachloromercurate second. Now for the third step for the naming of the coordination compound, at the last the name of the anion which is present on the outside of the coordination sphere, it can be written as a at the last like a chloride. In this compound you can see PTNH3 4, the bracket close, Cl4. It can be named like tetraamine platinum 4. It is oxidation state of the metal, and finally the chloride. Okay, now the second hexaamine cobalt, third. The third is the oxidation state of the cobalt, and finally the chloride which is present on the outer side. The name of some common ligands, like the ligands can be named like the neutral ligands like H2O, which is called as aqua, the NH3 like amine, and the anionic ligand like carbonyl, nitrosyl, fluorido, chlorido, bromido, iodo, hydro, cyano, oxalato. These are the names which can be used in a naming of the ligand. So there is some example of ligands which can be used like nitrosonium, nitrodonium, pyridium, oxalate, dimethyl sulfoxide, ethylene, diamine, tetraacetoacetate. So these are some example of ligands, name of the ligands. Now how you can naming the bridge ligand. For a bridge ligand, the complex are written first with the prefix mu. With the prefix mu, by separating it from the complex with a hyphen, and this mu is used for every time for each bridging ligand. Therefore, the ligand with the number of prefix di, tri, bis, tetra are metal with the oxidation state in a bracket and the negative charge species. So these are the neutral coordination pair. Like if you name the compound, the first example is NiCO4. The name is tetracarbonyl nickel. Second is FeC6 FeC5H5 whole twice bis cyclopentadiene iron. Okay, PtEN2Cl2. So the name is dichlorobis. The bis is used for the bridge ligand. Bis ethylene diamine pentanium. Okay, the platinum, why don't the platinum here is platinum. So HgCH3 2, the dimethyl mercury. Okay, so these are some common name of the coordination compound. You can see here the many of example I have given here. The one ion complexes and other complexes with the ligand. So here you can see another examples of bridge ligand and neutral ligand. Okay, so the bridging complex, you can see the bridging complex over here, and the mu is used for to distinguish the bridge bond the present in a complex here. Okay, like mu dihydroxy octaamine dicobalt third nitrate, name of this compound. So this is all about the nomenclature of the coordination compounds. Thank you very much.